So, you've got a custom indicator and you want to use it on TradingView. Let me show you exactly how to do that. First, open your custom indicator's code and copy the entire thing. Now, head over to TradingView and at the bottom of the screen, click on the Pine Editor tab. This will open up the Pine script editor. Now, if you don't see a short default script here, or if it doesn't say something like my script, that probably means you're looking at the code of an existing indicator. To avoid any mistakes, it's a good idea to create a new blank script from the top menu first. Once you're ready, just delete any existing code and paste in your custom indicator code. At this point, you can also rename your indicator if you like. Just edit the indicator line at the very top of the code and give it a name. Now, go ahead and click Save at the top to save your script. From here, you've got two options. You can click Add to Chart to instantly add it to your chart, or you can open the Indicators menu, search for your indicator by name, and add it from there. And that's it. Now you're ready to use your custom indicator on TradingView. If you'd like to have your own custom indicator built, or if you want to automate your trading strategy, feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help.